Me, can you focus on me?
Welcome back to my channel. Excuse the music in the back because my family's turning up right now. They're quarantining things as I'm quarantined and makeuping. Okay, so I am going to do this real cute bright look, a real pretty bright neon green look, and I hope you guys like it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the heart, like it, thumbs up it, subscribe to it, turn the notification button on. Okay, as you guys see, I already did my brows, so make sure you stay tuned because of course it's going to be a time lapse. Okay, all right.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone or you're stuck in your zone, and you don't ever cook, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Alright you guys, as you see, it came out perfectly. Well, I will list the products below on what I use. I love this eye look.
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cost a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Oh, yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus.